Hello, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be making a mini planner, one picket mini planner. Okay, let me start off by saying here are the pieces. We have side rails, legs, and top frame. Here we go. You can grab one of these, two of these, get them like that. You have one kind of made right here already. You get your glue on the side right there. Line these up. Line that up. So they're lined up. Wipe that glue off. Okay, so here we go with these rails. That's how it's gonna look. There you go, like this. And then you grab the other legs right here. And then put these legs right here. And put some glue on them. Line these up. Sure these are lined up. There you go. It's gonna look like this. Same thing to the other side. Grab that. Glue. Line it up. Staple. Or nail. Glue. Line it up. Nail. Line it up. There you go. That's how it's gonna look. Just like that. Just like that. Same thing to the other side. Okay, so after you have all these ready to go, you get this one. Put a little glue down here. A little glue right there. Get another side rail. Get it in there. And into the corners. Another one. Line it up. There you go. The other end. Some glue. Another rail. Now then, glue in there. There we go. So if your nail gun is way too big for these little tight spots, okay, shoot them from the outside. Bottom. Something to the other side. Hold it down. Now that we got all 4 sides done, I'm going to put the bottom. The bottom's going to go in here like this. And then put it in there like that. Put your gun. Shoot it in there like this. Like this. And this. Go. The other one. This one is nicer. Shoot it in there. Put it in there. Pop it up. Oh, not functioning. And then we grab this, pop a nail in there, in there, in there, in there. Now that you got everything all finished up, that's how it's going to look. Now we're ready for the top. Up. Do it like this. Get them out. And basically how your top's going to go. Let's get this one out. Get that one out. And there's the top. Nice little runner. There we go. There we go. Let's glue this up. Let's put a little glue right here. Get this a little even right here. And then over here. Screw this side up. Set that down. Just glue everything up. There we go. Glue this up. Get this one going down that way. Just glue the whole thing. Even it out. This piece, put it in there. And there we go. Shoot it in there. Shoot it in there. and then down, and there. And we're all done with our mini picket planner. So if you would like to make one of your own, leave a comment. I'll give you the dimensions and sizes. And a shout out to Who's the Vase, where I got the plans and everything from. So yeah, I tried it. Really easy to make. There you go. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, like and subscribe.